Good morning. After a long time, I slept a little well yesterday. And the time is 6:40. I hope to start by 6:45 for the first time in the entire duration of this trip. And I won't be stretching much. I am thinking to check into hotel by 1:30, 2 o'clock and take it slowly in Aram se. And my voice is very gruffy. And so on the way, I have to also meet my friend Shah, whom I met yesterday. And yeah, we'll just meet, and from there, I'll go to the exteriors of Kozhikode towards Thrissur side. So that is the aim, to cross Kozhikode is the aim today. So let's start.
The time is 7 o'clock. I started by 6:54. This is the earliest I have started. It feels good. Slight cold breeze. I mean, it's nowhere near to a proper winter breeze, but just the early morning breeze. And I strongly believe that summer has started in Kerala. The humidity can be felt in the morning as well. Right now also I do feel a little amount of humidity, and in the night also it was properly hot. So I think the summers have come in Kerala. The summers are here. The time is 7:30, half an hour of cycling, and we have covered 8 kilometers, and we're entering the place called Vadagara.
Small breakfast break. Eating pattiri and kadla curry. Pattiri is a North Keralite dish. One of the must-do things in Kerala is to travel in the private buses. So private buses, like government buses, are allowed to use the bus stops, pick up passengers, almost the same like the best buses do, which is legally and officially valid over here. So the next time in Kerala, try getting into one private bus at least for 2-3 stops, and then you'll realize what real horror is. They're all born F1 drivers, and even a small 2-lane road becomes a runway for them. So, but you'll enjoy it. It's very adventurous. It's a recommended activity actually in Kerala. Ahead of me there's a private bus going. So mostly this is how the private buses look. There are no uniformity. They are all with different colors, and the company name, the private bus operator name, and the plates. And this is a government bus, the white and blue. The time is 8:45.
almost around 1 hour 45 minutes of riding, 20 kilometers done, and we have just crossed Paidal. Now Paidal is also a small town, and here you have an option to stay. So if you have left from Talasheri or Kannur, and if you're not able to reach Kozhikode, you can stop at Paidal, where there is a very decent hotel called Tirth International. So yeah, Paidal can be a halt. Also, it has a beautiful beach, the Paidal beach or the Meladi beach. Here too you can see the sun going down in the water. So yeah, Paidal can be a stop if you're riding this way. The time is 10 o'clock. A little over 30 kilometers are done. Another 35 kilometers I will be stopping for the day. The place is called Ramanatakara. This is Koilandi, another famous town of Kerala. The sun is out, and so is my new friend. Yes, I have got myself sunglasses. Oh, wow. So cool. I mean, for the eyes. And it's a very basic one, covers the entire eyes. Only for 75 rupees. Comfort, fit and style. This is the Kozhikode bypass road, which will help us in completely staying away from Kozhikode. Kozhikode is a very big city. Maybe it's the third largest and developed city in Kerala after Trivandrum and Kochi, maybe. So obviously in a city such large, it's obvious to get a lot of congestion and traffic jams, and hence the bypass. This is fairly with less vehicles, and also the very straight road directly connecting to the other end of Kozhikode. And yeah, hence this road. Having the Una basically means lunch or meals. So it's served in a proper green banana leaf. With rice and gravy and papad and fried fish. Very filling and tasty. Time is little over 12:30, done with my lunch, and I'm back in the sun, and so is my friend. sunglasses. Time is 1 o'clock, 65 kilometers done, and I'm still in Kozhikode. But this stretch of road is, I found it beautiful because on both the sides you have trees, and this is not for a stretch. I mean, it's, I think it's almost 2 kilometers now. I'm riding in this greenery. The entire thing is covered, as I said yesterday, a cave of trees, and in the middle there's a road. Done for the day. Today I just cycled around almost 70 kilometers. I didn't stretch far because this area is called Ramanatakara, and after this point, or from this point, starts a lot of climbs, and that is something which I dread. So there wasn't any much option to stay after this point, because this is near the Karipur hotel, Karipur International Airport of Kozhikode. So we have stay options. So I stayed back. Tomorrow it will be really a day, because my friend has told me that there are a lot of climbs, and some climbs are so steep that even vehicles struggle to get on it. So yeah, I'm waiting for tomorrow. Meanwhile, the hotel I'm staying at is called White Sweets Hotel in Kozhikode, near to the not exactly near, but on the way to the airport. I'll just show you a quick room tour. So this is the door. It's a big wide door with a nice latch. This is the key. Nice mirror, drawer, TV, my stuff, table to work on, and again a big wardrobe, 2 nice cushioned chairs, you see, 2 single beds, and I kept the chair. The chair is not exactly over here, can be kept over there or here. And the curtain, they're not curtains, they're blinds basically. There are 2 blinds which sort of gets in a lot of light, and here we have the coffee tea maker, 2 cups, 2 glasses, 2 bottles of water, and I'll try making one, though I'm not technically a coffee drinker or a tea drinker. In here, it's a nice commode, basin, mirror, towel. This is a shower. Towel is my t-shirt. So this is how the room looks. Alright, so do like, share and subscribe the video, as I always say. And if you have any questions, do put that into the comment section. I will either reply on the comments, or I'll include the answer in the YouTube video. And sorry about the video, yesterday's video that got delayed by I think 12 hours or more. Sorry about that. And that happened because we went outside and we were kind of roaming around. It's fun.
So yeah, so that's it for today. Back to editing, blah 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 blah. I will see you tomorrow in the morning then. Take care. Good night.